Hello, this is Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I'm author of the cookbook, A New View of Healthy Eating. And today I invite you into my pantry. This is literally my pantry. I was thinking about the staples that I think everybody needs at home to cook healthy, simple, tasty meals while we are all at home, staying in, spending more time with our family cooking. And when I was thinking about this, I realized that the staples that I recommend in the cookbook for healthy eating in general are really the same staples that I recommend for all of us that are staying at home right now and doing a little bit more cooking. So we have fruit, all kinds of fruit. For me, I really love citrus for salad dressings, always an avocado for a good healthy fat, any kind of root vegetables that you might find. I have some beets and radishes here, green vegetables, anything green. So we also have sweet potatoes, which are great, cooked many different ways. We have aromatics, onions, and garlic. Down here are herbs and our spices. Some could be dry, some might be fresh. Right here in the middle, these are the basics for cooking. So we have beans and legumes. We also have all kinds of whole grains, and we have nuts and seeds. More staples over here. Olive oil for salad dressings to make the veggies taste great, along with any kind of vinegars that you might have. Sea salt is always a must. Sweetener, I love dates, so I have some dates here. And for me, a couple of my favorites are olives and goji berries. So really, think about the staples that you want in your kitchen. You don't have to buy them all at once. Maybe start with one whole grain, one nut or seed, one legume, and begin creating in your kitchen. So it's Melanie Albert. I invite you to get your kitchen ready to cook at home while we're all cooking a little bit more in our house. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and happy cooking, everybody, with your family. Hello, it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and what I'm going to be doing over the next few days and few weeks is sharing with you simple recipes, simple techniques to cook with the staples in your kitchen, along with the food that you can buy from your local farmers and at your local grocery stores. So I know we're all stay at home right now. I do invite you to have fun with cooking, experiment, maybe try some different things with your family and with your children. So enjoy cooking, get your pantry set. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition.